Hello everyone, my name is Ara and I'm today with you with my beautiful model Yulia, and I'm going to show you how you can do a really nice and simple day makeup. I'm going to start with Rivaj HD primer. Just make sure you apply it all over the face. For the day look, I'm going to apply this concealer all over her eyelid. I'm going to apply a little bit of number 10 purple Rivaj HD eyeshadow. Now I'm going to apply the Rivaj HD mascara, give you a really natural look. I'm using the same concealer for under the eyes. Use the Natural Finish foundation. And I'm going to apply the Rivaj HD loose powder to fix the makeup. We are done and she's ready to go out.